Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling the Windows features that let Android run. Open Settings and turn on Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Android. This creates the runtime layer. Once done, install the latest Windows 11 updates and reboot to apply kernel or driver changes, because missing updates often block the Play Store. If virtualization isn't enabled, restart into BIOS/UEFI and enable it. Verify in Task Manager's Performance tab, so you know the environment can run ARM or now you'll install the subsystem and add Play Store support. If Windows Subsystem for Android is not yet present, get it from the Microsoft Store and update to the latest release. This gives you the settings panel. Once installed, sideload Google Play components or apply the Microsoft-provided Play integration update depending on your build, because Play requires those services to manage apps. Then open the subsystem settings to configure storage, network, and an Android user account so apps can access files and permissions correctly. Finally, open Google Play, sign in with your Google account, and accept the permissions prompts so app data syncs and purchases work. Install apps as you would on any Android device, then pin frequently used apps to start or the taskbar for quick access. If something breaks, clear Google Play services and Play Store cache in Android settings, reboot Windows, and reinstall the Windows subsystem for Android if needed. This fixes most dependency or account sync issues and restores a clean runtime environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.